Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look at the Euro versus US dollar. We're heading into the new trading week, and the Euro versus US dollars ending the current week trading near the lows, but ahead of some key support on the downside. We'll talk about in this video, talk about the key levels in play next week. So let's get started. Looking at the 4-hour chart of this currency pair, initially at the beginning of the week, the market found support against the 200-day moving average, moved higher into the U.S. election, but found willing sellers just ahead of the 100-day moving average. That's a blue line in this chart. And as the election results started to come in, we started to move sharply to the downside. That move took the price back below the 200-day moving average. Hard to see, but there's a green line through here. You see this green line kind of forming here and going sideways through here. One day it's going to turn either higher or lower, but over the last 4 or 5 weeks, it's just been going sideways. So we fell below the 200-day moving average, also fell below this swing area, which goes back in time to this period right through here. So you can see how it's support up here, resistance down here, support here, fell below it, resistance here, got a little wonky through here. But when the price did fall back below that level in trading this week on the election results, we started to see the price move sharply to the downside with momentum. We fell below the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. More about that later. And moved all the way down to 1.06819. That level came up short of this triple bottom right through here. We had 1, 2, 3, all within about, it looks like from 65 to 70, about 5 pips of each other right through there. The high of that swing area came in 1.0670. The low price this week came in at 1.06819, and then we started to rotate back to the upside. And I told you I'd talk more about the 100 bar moving average when we moved up to test that level in trading yesterday, before rotating back to the downside and trading here today, breaking below this swing area through here. We had a number of different swing lows and swing highs through here. You can see all the different levels where either we found, we use this level as a support or resistance, and finally breaking to the upside through here. So we returned back to that level a few weeks ago, and then in last week's trading we came back to that level, and we fell below it again, and trading here today with ups and downs this week around that level. So getting below that level and moving down toward our low prices again. Put into focus the triple bottom right through here, and also the low price that we saw earlier in the week. So going into the new trading week, this area right through here between 1.07609 and 1.07767 is going to be a resistance level, as long as the price, if we were to move back up here and find willing sellers against that level, I would expect a move lower and a break through our triple bottom through here. If we get below that level, it opens the door for further downside momentum in the euro versus US dollar. Taking a broader look at this this area right through here, break below the level, and we start to look down toward this low right here, which comes in at 1.06491, and then we start to look toward the April lows down here, which came near the 106 to 106.10 level. Those were the two lows through here before the market moved higher, going back in time. This was a low for the year, actually. So that would be a key target on the downside and further momentum in that direction. Conversely, if we do find support buyers against this level, the support level down here, we would again look toward this swing area on the top side to limit the upside. If we get above that level, then we'll look toward the 100 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. So there you have it. Final look at the euro versus US dollar as we head into the new trading week. More downside momentum, trading and closing near the lows for the week. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune to trading. Bye-bye now.